Hello, welcome back, guys. It's still the golden hour with your favorite nurse, Nurse Nogolo Ngandande from FLAS. Today, we're going to be talking about hepatitis. But before we do, are you serious? You look so nice. Hepatitis. Maybe before we even before we carry on with the conversation.
Okay, hepatitis si attack liver.
Okay.
Okay. So hepatitis inetinhlobo letiningi and itihlukene ngokuthi itholakala kanjani emtimbeni wakho. So definitely right now we are having a viral one and a non-viral hepatitis.
Okay.
So with the viral one sibe netinhlobo letisihlanu, of which it's hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, D, and E. But kakhulu siyasithanda focus on the hepatitis B because ngiyo lekhona kuba well managed in the country, and it can be also managed at a clinical level. So bese sekuba khona ke labo non-viral loyo khanza ukuthi it's the lifestyle la kaphila ngayo umufu. For an example khona lena lesibita nge-autoimmune disorder.
Okay.
Leyo yokhanza ukuthi ngumtimba wakho so uvukela lesibinzi sakho. Then bese sekuba nalesi sithi alcohol consumption. Leyo ke it's a lifestyle one, of which leyo siyibite nge-acute because we can be able ukuthi siyimanage sithi please change your lifestyle, yehlisa ngalana kunatha tshwala bese so natha a lot of water. Then bese sekuba khona lesiyibite ngokuthi it's chronic medication or toxins. Lapho yokhanza to say there's certain medication loyithathako lebese seyiba too harmful for the body ukhanza ukuthi kwanawo awusasibambisi lesibinzi so uqala ukuthi awanathi kahle manje so uyukhanza ukuthi isibinzi lapho ke sesiyaqala ke sesiyavuvuka sekuba nale hepatitis. So those are the forms of hepatitis that we are currently having in the health center.
Manguve kahle ukuthi tekulapheka lo B.
But the most common one, the CSC, even in a clinical level, we go back to hepatitis B. Because because it's a viral one and now it depends even linked to sexual transmitted diseases. So the country is able to sensitize and also be able to even in a clinical level but we have to refer you and the tests they are not available at clinical level, they are available in hospital level.
Okay, so my forms of medication for hepatitis, I would like to think that iyakhona kulapheka.
Yes, iyakhona
kulapheka. I know you've talked about lifestyle and you've talked about nalokuthi mhlambe ke lenye nje iba khona vele emtimbeni. But tindlela tekungafiki lapho khona uba ne hepatitis khona ngitiphi mhlawumbe nje kufaka abantu.
Okay, we can highlight the risk factors.
Okay.
Because the risk factors are there exposure to the hepatitis B. Look, so to see at a primary level of prevention. Last, please use condomize because we're talking about hepatitis B is also sexual transmitted infection.
Yes.
And even now, we would allow please try because it's transmitted through my bodily fluids. Infected. So even in blood, if you want to cut, please make sure you use my gloves, and even when you are also now when I please protect yourself in that terms. And also we do have an immunization for those.
Immunization.
Yes, we also have an immunization.
Immunization. Can we take a short ad break? Immunization.
Refresh your skin. Buy 3 LA Lab bath and body items. Get the cheapest free. Everything you need to cleanse, nourish, and pamper your skin. Life's better with PEP.
back to the show. So we're still with Nesnogulunga Ndwandwe on the show. We're talking about hepatitis if you've just joined us. And of course, one thing that she's highlighted that it can be sexually transmitted, also can be transmitted with bodily fluids. So if if you're sexually active, make sure you use protection. And make sure that, you're covering up your hands as well to protect yourself. So hepatitis can be sexually transmitted as well. So that's what we're finding out. Immunization, immunization and
Okay, currently we're having an immunization, especially for those who are exposed.
Okay.
The most important group here is focus is the healthcare workers, because those are the people that are exposed to blood and the bodily fluids, and so we emphasize healthcare workers to go and immunize, because wellness clinics and the clinics around, there is hepatitis B immunization. Then currently our country has also tried ukuthi involve hepatitis B at birth, ukuthi umfana nakatalwa avele athola the hepatitis B immunization.
Yes.
So it's currently on the pipeline, of which there is a good one.
Yes.
So ngiloko lesi Ministry of Health lasakuzamile for us to go ukuthi be protected into hepatitis B.
Okay.
But if ever usuto kuda esibhedlela kukhona le population lesiye sithi it's a key population for us, lesikhona khona ku-screener for hepatitis B, because I have already said ukuthi hepatitis B can be screened in clinical level.
Yes.
So umnauto populasisu siye and the hepatitis B test, whereby we use to determine the rapid one. You get the results as soon as possible.
Okay.
Then we also do hepatitis B for someone who has been tested positive for HIV. Because remember, hepatitis B is sexually transmitted infection.
Yes.
So whosoever has got the HIV is also at risk of getting hepatitis B.
Okay.
So we also screen for that. And once we see you are having the hepatitis, then we will get you the treatment for hepatitis B. So the population here because at clinical level we can manage hepatitis B unless it's chronic. Then we transfer you to
Okay, labo A, because sasikhulumile ngaB nasi ikakhulukati lo A nalo D nalo E bona ba prevalent in Eswatini.
They are not that prevalent in our country.
Okay.
The data is saying of the prevalence, but it is there. We will not say it's not there.
Yeah.
And ikona kutholakala kahle at a hospital level.
Okay.
So you can't say there are signs and symptoms, because in hepatitis most of the time skin color sakho
Yes.
kakhulu spaces esiqala kuba yellowish.
Yes.
But the first one khona ukubona khona ngemehlo.
Okay.
The white part lesipita ngesclera
Yes.
bese seyiqala kuba yellowish.
Okay.
That is where we are able to go to, okay, we are querying when you might be having hepatitis. Then bese so yakhanza ukuthi so kuyahlanda, so mild diarrhea, then those signs and symptoms bese sesiyakhona ukuquerisha, and then we will do the test, because the test aid for most of them are for all those hepatitis, so end up using the blood. So we'll take the blood and also send an ultrasound scan to see ukuthi inang isibenzi sakho sivuvukele kangakanani.
Okay. So ukhulumile ke ngema symptoms, uyahlanda, uyasheka.
Yes,
Uyahlanda,
mild
uyasheka. Are there any other more symptoms that a person should look out for if they think they have hepatitis?
Ukhanza ukuthi akakhona lokudla kahle, loss of appetite, tiredness, so khanza sotsiniwe. So ngilawo la two basic lesikhona ukudetecta ngawo le hepatitis.
Okay. Asibuye ke Nesinokulunga sikhulume ngale treatment. Senfolile ukuthi nomalungelo jele una hepatitis B. Ilashwa kanjani ke leyo hepatitis? Are there any treatments available to it? Do you go like kuba treatment le kanjani, maphilisi, imijovo, ilashwa kanjani hepatitis?
Okay, currently for hepatitis B, it's a viral infection.
Okay.
So definitely we will use there is a tablet that we call PrEP. The
Oh,
PrEP that we
okay.
use, we also use it
Yes.
for
Is it?
hepatitis B.
Oh, because
Yes.
it's sexually transmitted.
It's sexually transmitted and it's a virus, so definitely we're dealing with a virus. So
okay.
we use the PrEP. Then get the others, will transfer then we'll see what is the causative for it. Then if the non-viral one, yes, please do my lifestyle changes.
Yes.
Because if you're someone who consumes alcohol more often, definitely sitokela ukuthi usale wehlisa bunatha loyo tshwala, drink a lot of water. So if sesibona ukuthi ke okay, this one say in some countries they even go to the point now so sesilimele kakhulu lesibini, you can go for a liver transplant.
Okay. I think you mentioned something important in terms of like pregnant women, how they are prioritized when it comes to hepatitis. So, ema chances ukuthi make afakele umfana hepatitis makhulu kangakanani, and if nyakhanza ukuthi vele make unayo le hepatitis, nayo uchubeka nathi yona le PrEP noma kunalenye treatment lekhona for that special phase noma ngathi lokuthi nje bomake bathi kuphela. I'm sure there's different medication for different scenarios.
For pregnant women, we still use the same medication. It's
Okay.
safe for the baby. And yes, it is transmitted from mother to child during birth. Because remember, mode of exposure yini, it's blood and bodily fluids. So definitely, unabe abelega mage, ukhanza ukuthi sekuba nekuthinthana kulama body fluids, then it's transmitted to the umfana. So that is why in our ANC guidelines, let us do the rapid test and test for hepatitis B, so that it's still early detection, and then we still treat mage. Utazisegaya go belega and find out ukuthi sesivele sesimtreatile, so safe ukuthi anga keep umfana without contaminating or transmitting the virus kumfana.
Okay. Lastly, before I let you go, sitinakekela kanjani ke singatofala bo hepatitis, singatofunza futhi kakhulu ngabo ngoba sesiyade ukuthi asifunda ukubatfola nje, just maybe like tips to stay bamfula ba healthy and not get timfo letifana njengabo hepatitis.
Okay, basically njengoba ngishilo ukuthi there is one city transmitted through sexually transmitted infection. So please let's encourage using the condoms.
Yes.
And so that we will lower the chances of you getting it. And even some hepatitis A, it's you thola contaminated food and water. Please make sure ukuthi kudla kwakho kubeka kahle, it's covered, go clean nemandi lo wanathako, they are clean. You boil them before. If you are watfola from emfuleni, please make sure you boil them before uwanat. And even now, whenever you are coughing or you are doing anything, please cover your mouth because there is a risk of transmission. Even the surfaces lesihlala kiwo aswa clean, abe very clean. You can just ufake spirit or alcohol or atoba clean so that you can find yourself not getting the syphilis.
Okay. Asiyabonga kakhulu Nesinokulunga Ndwandwe. Thank you so much for always taking your time to talk to us on hepatitis.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our amazing guest today on the show, telling us and teaching us more on hepatitis. We hope that you are paying attention, and we hope that you keep your surfaces clean and you use protection if you are sexually active, right? So there's better ways in which you can take care of yourselves. So let's make sure that kulo mnyaka 2025 we reduce the number of people that are able to contract or to get hepatitis. So we hope that benlalele. With that being said, sitawuthatha ikhefu siyabuya on the golden hour.
I know.
It's risky, but I've done it several times.